Hi, I'm Brian Marangi from Sandy Hook Yachts, and this is the 2024 Caymas 34 CT. Come aboard. Caymas 34 Cat comes equipped with twin 400 V10 Verado Mercury engines. 34 Cat comes with live wells in the back, as you can see right here, see-through live well. You got the dive door for pulling in your big catch. You have the option to come have one on the starboard side as well as the port side. Pull-out cooler, plenty of space for your tackle. Rod holders here, rocket launchers up here. We have the twin Garmin screens. Bolster seating, easily retractable. You got the Skyhook, twin throttles for the Mercury, fully enclosed glass helm, which is very nice, staying out of the bad weather. The 34 Cat by Caymas, as you can see, has a very, very wide beam. Plenty of space up here for you and your friends. Go fishing all day. And then on the ride home, you want extra space to relax. You have the fold-out seating, the port side, as well as the starboard side. You have plenty of storage up front in the chaise lounge area here with 6 rod holders, in addition to all the rod holders you have throughout the gunnel on either side of the boat. We are very excited to have the 34 Cat coming here spring 2024. Please come on down to the Brick, New Jersey location at Sandy Hook Yachts. Brian Marangi signing off. Thanks for watching.